Hi guys, here is how you can partition your pen drive or external hard disk. Now let me quickly insert my pen drive. So here's my pen drive and it's empty. So this is the pen drive, and please make sure you back up all the files from the pen drive as this will be formatted. Anyway, so this is my 30 GB pen drive. Now to do the partition, go to the Start menu and search for Disk Management. This is the one, click on it, and here you will find all of your hard disk information. Now, please be absolutely sure before doing this, as the drive will be formatted. So this is the one I want to change. The size is 30 GB, so right click and simply click on Delete Volume. So all data of the partition will be lost. Yes. So now it's unallocated. Let's do the partition. You can do as much partitions as you want. Simply right click and New Simple Volume. Next. Now you can assign the size you want to partition. For example, if you want a 5 GB partition, then convert it to MB, which will be 5120 for 5 GB. This is done. Next. This is fine, and next. And you can change the file system to NTFS or FAT32. Next and finish. So the partition is ready. Now if I go to this PC, I have this 5 GB volume. Now here's another 25 GB remaining, so you can again right click on New Simple Volume, next, and you can again allocate the specific sizes you want. Let's again partition it to 5 GB. Next, next, and again choose your format here. You can change that later too, and finish. So this is done as well. So if I go to this PC, now I have two partitions, each of 5 GB. For the last partition, I want to allocate the whole 20 GB. So this will cover all the size of your pen drive or hard disk. Next, then next, and finish. And here is it. So basically we now have 3 partitions, 20 GB, 5 GB and 5 GB. If you want to rename it, you can rename it from here. Go to Properties and you can change this volume name to anything you want. OK. And you can see the name had changed. Now if you want to revert back, just go to Disk Management and simply delete the volume. Yes. Delete this volume as well. You can combine these to one too. I'm deleting as I want a single partition. So everything has been deleted. Now simply right click and go to New Simple Volume. Next. And this will be the whole size. Next. D drive. Next. You can also rename the volume over here, but I will leave it to default, and this will also perform a quick format. Next. And finish. And this is done. And if I go to this PC, so this is my one volume with 30 GB. This works for external hard disk, pen drive or any storage device. Thank you very much.